skilled MBA case study series in general management, Grasim Industries' bold move with Birla Opus targets India's decorative paint market, dominated by Asian paints. With a Rs 100 billion investment, they plan 6 factories by 2025, aiming for a 5 to 6% market share in the first year. The market's consistent double-digit growth presents a lucrative opportunity for this ambitious venture. India's decorative paint market, valued at a 700 billion, is dominated by Asian paints with a 50% share. Birla Opus targets a 5 to 6% market share in its first year, backed by a 100 billion investment and 6 factories by 2025. The market's consistent double-digit growth presents significant opportunities. Evaluating the timing is crucial. Is now the optimal moment for market entry? Consider the approach. Should the focus be on superior product quality or leveraging brand power? Lastly, assess the investment strategy. Is the Rs 100 billion investment justified by potential returns? These critical questions will shape the strategic direction and success of the venture. Grasim's strengths lie in its vast distribution network, leveraging Aditya Birla Group's reach across urban and rural India. With robust financial backing, Grasim can aggressively enter markets and maintain competitive pressure. The Birla brand name enhances consumer trust, providing a solid foundation for success across various product categories. Customer loyalty is a significant hurdle, as homeowners seldom change paint brands. Competitors maintain strong dealer relationships, built over decades. New entrants face margin pressure from price wars, threatening profitability. Additionally, paint formulation demands specialized expertise and rigorous testing, posing a challenge for those lacking technical proficiency. A product-centric strategy emphasizes superior formulations, enhanced durability, and eco-friendly options. This approach offers clear differentiation and potential for higher margins, appealing to quality-conscious consumers. However, challenges include a slow brand adoption curve and difficulty in communicating technical benefits, necessitating proof over time. Utilizing a promotion-led strategy, we engage high-profile Bollywood stars and cricket legends as brand ambassadors. Influencer partnerships with home decor and do-it-yourself creators amplify reach. Dealer incentives through aggressive commissions and exclusive programs enhance retailer engagement. Promotional pricing, including introductory offers and bulk discounts, encourages consumer trials and boosts market penetration. The balanced hybrid approach combines technical excellence with strategic marketing. Focus on quality products as a foundation, ensuring superior performance. Implement targeted campaigns to reach key segments effectively. Strengthen retail partnerships by offering exclusive experiences at the point of sale, enhancing customer engagement and driving brand loyalty. India's paint market is dominated by a few key players, with Asian paints leading at 50% market share. Berger Paints, Kansai Nerolac, Akzo Nobel, and JSW Paints also hold significant portions. Birla Opus must strategically position itself to penetrate this consolidated market and establish a competitive presence. The factory investment plan unfolds in 3 phases. By 2024, 2 factories in Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu will be operational. In 2025, 4 more in Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, and Telangana. By 2026, full production capacity reaches 1.3 billion litres annually. Managing fixed costs and optimizing capacity utilization are vital for profitability. The financial investment of Rs 100 billion is allocated for manufacturing and market entry, aiming for an annual revenue target of Rs 35 billion by year 5, capturing a 5% market share. A 15% return on investment is expected by year 7. Careful net present value analysis and cash flow projections are essential to meet Grasim's cost of capital benchmarks. Utilize traditional paint dealers by offering competitive margins to leverage existing networks. Partner with big box retailers for urban exposure through modern home centers. Develop e-commerce platforms and visualization apps for direct-to-consumer digital sales. Build loyalty with professional painter networks by providing tailored incentives and support, ensuring comprehensive market penetration. Asian Paints is expected to boost advertising and dealer ties. Berger Paints might launch new products and enhance rural reach. Kansai Nerolac could utilize its technical and industrial strengths. Birla Opus must anticipate these defensive strategies to effectively compete and capture market share. Begin by launching a limited premium product line to establish a reputation for quality. Next, expand distribution by scaling retail presence with aggressive dealer incentives. Finally, innovate by introducing proprietary features that competitors like Asian Paints cannot easily replicate. Success hinges on phased execution with clear metrics, aiming to become India's second-largest paint brand. Thank you for taking the time to explore Skilled MBA. We appreciate your interest and support. If you have any questions or need further assistance, we're just a message away. For inquiries, reach us via mobile at +91 87553 00795. Email support@skilledmba.com. Visit us www.skilledmba.com. We look forward to connecting with you.